Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 35a. Words with Shadda. Special cases. Shadda followed by Mad. Repeat after me. Allah, Allah, Illa, Illa. See the difference in Allah and Allah? When we say about Allah, our creator, then it is Allah. The lam is thick. Here it is Allah. Alright? And illa. Next one. Hatta, hatta, Rabbi, Rabbi. Ra is thick, ba is thin. Rabbi, Rabbi. Let's take Shadda with Tanween. Qawiyyan, Qawiyyan. Qa is thick and Waw, you make your lips round and then open them. Qawiyyan, Qawiyyan. Faddan, Faddan. Fa is thin, Dha is very thick and high. Faddan. Okay, again. Faddan, Faddan. Likullin, Likullin. Haqqin, Haqqin. Qaf is thick and high. Arabiyyun, Arabiyyun. Ra is thick. Arabiyyun. Again. Arabiyyun, Arabiyyun. Aduwwun, Aduwwun. Let's take Shadda followed by Sukun. Tawakkal, Tawakkal. Wow, make sure you make your lips round. Tawakkal, Tawakkal. Yubayyin, Yubayyin. Shadda followed by soft Waw and soft Ya. For example, Tawallaw, Tawallaw. So there are two Waw here, so make sure. Wallaw. Okay, Tawallaw, Tawallaw. Wassayna, Wassayna. Wa is here, Sad is there. Wassayna, Wassayna, Wassayna. Shadda followed by another Shadda. Yazzakka, Yazzakka. Yashaqqaqu, Yashaqqaqu. Shaqqaqu. Okay. Yashaqqaqu, Yashaqqaqu. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.